Welcome back. Bocad has quite a few checking tools to check your models. There is clashing members, there's loose members, testing connections, clashing bolts, bolt connectivity, see if there's enough space around bolts, but there is no real function in here to find out what is not welded. In most projects, most components are welded. So it would be nice if there were a way to find out what is welded, what is bolted, instead of just members without partner, meaning completely loose components. What you can try is in the filter, you can search. I will exclude mark 0, so all the existing components like walls and things like that, concrete components for example, I'll leave them aside, switch on my user filter, and I would say not with, but without connection weld. So basically show me anything that is not welded. And here we are. So there's a couple of rods that make sense indeed. These rods are, they have nuts and washers on them, but definitely they're not welded to anything. And then there's a couple of channels in here, but that makes sense because these are simply bolted. We can see them, by the way, highlight in all the views if we really want to figure out where these are. So far, all of this look normal. You could do exactly the same story, the same thing, by figuring out same filter, but you say without bolts. So basically show me anything that is not bolted. So over here, indeed, some of the handrails, some of the surroundings of the grating, indeed, they're not bolted, but just welded. So if it can provide you a bit more information to show you, to confirm that your model is okay, it is just a couple of clicks to verify a model like this before you go to the drawings or any of the outputs. Never know, it might help.